oftentimes when I'm finding pieces of wood, they're starting out in this form, right? And they're sun bleached and they all look the same. Um, but the interesting thing is when you start cutting into these pieces of wood, um, they hold a lot of natural beauty just in their, weather-worn appearance. But when I started to kind of cut them in that fashion, I started noticing that they just had a lot of character.
This is kind of a close-up of some of the work I've been working on. So this is all, a lot of these pieces are hand-cut paper. So elements in here that you'll see, some of these pages in here, these are all from vintage magazines or old books or posters. So what I'll do is I'll go in and I'll lay out the piece first. I'll draw everything, and then I'll start cutting and gluing and layering down different elements. So every little piece that I use in my work is a separate piece of paper that I've cut, so that you can kind of see this has some different little designs on it. That's from an old comic book that I found. So I get papers literally from all over the place. So when I'm traveling from show to show, I will pull off on the side of the road, find an old abandoned gas station and dig around and find old receipt books, you name it, all kinds of interesting papers, old calendars on the wall. You can see some of the text in here. And there's even like a part of an old road map right in here. You can kind of see a little bit. So every one of the pieces that I make that's like in this collage series is literally me cutting and gluing down all these different pieces of paper.
Out of the acid bath, all the stuff that's still covered in the black will be protected and won't have gotten etched. And then I take a little saw and I saw my etching out, clean all the black stuff off, and I end up with an etching, a teeny little etching once I've sawed it out.
Oh, wow.
Wow. In all different sizes. Obviously the bigger ones take longer. This is a big rhino.
Oh my.
Here's a camel.
You should have seen that. That was cool.